Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel SAP Formula. In last class, we saw how to create complete customer master data in SAP. In today's class, let us see the importance of some fields in customer master, which is very important. In last class, we also saw the importance of two transaction codes, which is purely related to finance, but still we have to perform this operation in order to proceed further, that is OBY6 and OBY2. And we created three customers in last class, that is Bharati Wholesaler Private Limited, Vikas Dealer Private Limited, Agro Institute Private Limited, and these are the customer codes that got generated. We also saw what is the difference between each partner function. We saw what is the meaning of customer in SAP, and in general, we also saw the importance of all these tables, and we saw how we can extract the details of customer master from general data, company code wise, and sales area, and also how we can extract or pull partner function from KNVP for a particular customer. We also saw how we can pull or generate a report of tax classification for the given customer. Now let us see the importance of some fields in customer master. Now I will log in into SAP. Like I discussed in last class, XD01 is a T code to create complete customer master data. Since we already created one customer in yesterday's class, now I will open that customer. Okay, I'll open this customer, Control V, and we have company code. This is a company code. What is the sales area we created? ZZ01 is a sales area, and copy this distribution channel and copy this division. Okay, enter. Okay, so Vikas Dealer Private Limited is the customer that we created in yesterday's class. Now let us see the importance of each field in general tab. We are in general tab. See all this name, search term, street, postal code, country, and state. See all these represents the generic information of a customer. Okay. Suppose if I want to contact this customer, what is the email ID? For example, I will type xyz@gmail.com. Okay. So with this Gmail ID, I can contact these customer. Now, what is a telephone? You can give some random telephone number. Okay. So with the help of this telephone number, you can contact this person. Okay. And see, sometimes the address will be very long. And if you see here, you have only one option called street. Okay, the length of this street is only 60 digits. Now, if you press F1 in your keyboard, okay, if you press F1 in your keyboard, now you can go to technical information. Click on this technical information. Now, double click on the field name. If you double click on the field name, you can see the length of this field is 60 digits. Okay. So sometimes in real time, what happens? The address of this customer will be more than 60 digits. So that time, what you have to do, you can see something called, plus mark here. Okay. You have to click on this more fields. You have an option called more fields. Click on this. When you click on this, you can see street 2. Okay. Street 2. You can fill your street 2, street 3, 4, 5. What is the district also you can fill. See, like this, you can fill the complete data of a customer or the complete address of a customer. Okay. So hope you got the importance of the address tab, the importance of address tab in general data. Now we have something called transportation zone. See, transportation zone will help to determine. Okay, see, there's a document here which I have prepared. See, transportation zone will help to determine the route in sales document. See, while discussing about route determination into sales document, I will explain the importance of transportation zone in customer master. Okay. Now go to control data. In control data, we have tax number 3. See, whenever you visit any stores, right, you can see their GST registration number. Usually we enter customer GST registration number here. Okay, this Vikas Dealer Private Limited will have their own GST registration number. That registration number we will enter your tax registration 3. Okay, tax number 3. Now go to payment transaction. In payment transaction, you will enter the bank details of Vikas Dealer. So usually finance person is responsible to fill all this information. Okay, the finance person is responsible to fill all this information. So just to have an idea or know knowledge, you should know this. Okay. So this is a tab where you enter the customer details related to bank. Now go to marketing team. See market. So go to marketing tab. The marketing tab is purely handled by SD consultants. Okay. The first one we have Nelson ID. Now what is Nelson ID? Okay, Nelson ID. Nelson ID will be used to track the customers who are located in survey regions. Let us assume there are 10 dealers. Okay. Now, Vikas Dealer Private Limited is one dealer. Similar to Vikas, there are 20 dealers in Bangalore. Now, the company will launch one new product. Let us take some XYZ product or some body care or healthcare products. Now, the company wants to identify all the dealers in Bangalore. See how they will identify? They will identify with the help of Nelson ID. We will assign one ID for all the 100 dealers. Okay, for all the 100 dealers. So, based on the Nelson ID, we can generate a report and we can fetch all the customers. Okay, so Nelson ID will be used to track the customers who are located in market survey region, suppose in Bangalore. Okay, whenever we launch new products, that means that whenever the company launches a new product, company will do market survey in specific regions. If the customers are located in market survey region, that means if the customers are located in that Bangalore region, then we must assign this field. So this is the importance of Nelson ID. Now, if you click F4, we have like Andhra, Hyderabad, Kurnool, Kolkata, Chennai, Indore, like this. We have many, the descriptions, the Nelson ID description. Similarly, we can have our own description. See how we can have /o spro. Go to SPRO. Now click on reference IMG. So this is the actual work of a consultant. Okay. He will go to SPRO. Now go to sales and distribution. Now go to master data. Now go to business partner. Go to business partner. Go to customer. Now go to marketing. When you go to marketing, you can see Nelson ID. Define Nelson ID. Now go to new entries. You can have some Nelson ID. For example, ZI. Okay. ZP, ZQ. Like this, some codes. Okay. Description you can give. For example, Karnataka. Don't want. Let us be little precise. Bengaluru. Okay. Bengaluru. For example, this is Hyderabad and this is Chennai. Okay. This is the Chennai. Now I will save this ZIPQ. Okay. Now, if you go to customer master and click F4, if you scroll down, you can see here, okay, ZI, ZP, ZQ we created just now. Now this customer is from Bengaluru, so I am selecting Z1. See, like this, we will have, hundreds of dealers for which the Nelson ID will be ZI if they are from Bangalore. So that we can call all these customers and the company can have a meeting with all these customers when the company launches a new product. This is the importance of Nelson ID. Now, customer classification. What do you mean by customer classification? Classifying the customers based on their sales turnover. See, not every customer will give the same turnover every year. Okay, some big dealers will give like 10 crores turnover, or some medium scale dealers will give like 4 to 5 crores turnover. Okay, but still it is very important to identify how much turnover they give so that we can offer some discount. See, when the customer is making good turnover, it means that he is purchasing from the company more and more materials. So, which indirectly improves the company's growth also, right? So, like that, the company will offer some discount, some special discount for those customers who will make a good turnover. If you press F4, you can see many fields here, above 10 lakh, above 10 crore, below 10 crore, like this. We can have our own. Okay. Similarly, go to same path. Just come back. One step, come back. You can see here customer classification. Now go to new entries. For example, ZI, okay, ZP, ZQ. Now what is ZI? I'll give below above 10 lakh. Okay, for example, above 10 lakh. Now what is ZP? Between 5 lakh to 10 lakh. What is ZQ? ZQ is nothing but between 1 lakh to 5 lakh. Now save this. Now I am telling to system that Vikas dealer, okay, Vikas dealer is giving a turnover of above 10 lakhs. Okay. Now I will select ZI. See here you can see ZI, ZP and ZQ. So this is the role of a consultant. Now I am giving ZI. So I am telling to system that Vikas Dealer Private Limited, his Nelson ID is ZI and customer classification is ZI, and that means he is making a turnover of 10 crores in Bengaluru location. Now industry. To be more specified, to be more precise, we are telling to system that to which industry he belong. Okay. Now this Vikas, if you go to Excel sheet, Vikas Private Limited, he belongs to division ZM. Correct, right? Now what is ZM? If we see our configuration, he is a home care product. Now I have to create, okay. Now I'm closing this. So I'm creating three industrial codes. Now just come back in the same path. Come to same path. Now define industry sector for customer. Now go to new entries. You can have ZZI, okay, ZZP and ZZ2. So this is home care products, home care products. This is body care products, and this is healthcare products. Child care products, okay, or home care industry. You can get home care industry, and this is healthcare industry. Sorry, body care industry, and this is healthcare industry. Okay. Now save this. Now if you go here, so because he's purchasing home care products, right? Let me confirm once again. Home care products. Now click on F4. If you press F4, now scroll down. Now you can see here ZZI, home care products. Okay, home care products. So I'm telling the system that Vikas dealer, okay, Vikas dealer private limited, he belongs to industry called home care products. Okay, now industrial codes. That means we are further classifying the industry. Okay, we are further classifying. So if you come classifying the customer based on the industry they belong to the purpose of, and the purpose of this field is purely, reporting and analysis purpose. And also this field also will help us to give some special discounts. Okay. Next we have regional market. Okay. What is regional market? Dividing the customers into A class, B class, C class based on the revenue it generates. Okay. And the purpose of this field is for reporting purpose. For example, A means more sales, B means medium sales, C means low sales. Now I am telling to system that the market region, the market regional market for Vikas dealer is A. That means he is making more sales, right? About 10 lakhs. So I'm giving A. He is making a more sales. Now, what is this annual sales? I am telling to system that the Vikas dealer has made 15 lakh rupees. Okay. 15 lakh rupees in INR in 2023. Okay. See, I'm telling here the customer classification is about 10 lakhs, which means that he made a annual sales of 15 lakh rupees in 2020. See, every year end users will come and change here based on their yearly turnover. Okay. So this is the importance of this annual sales. Now, all these are not important. Financial year variant, everything is not important. Now, legal status. What do you mean by legal status? So, this field controls whether the customer is private limited or public limited. Okay, so that's all the importance of this legal status. Now coming to next step, unloading points. So this is very, very important because this plays a very important role in transport management also at the time of delivery scheduling. Now, what is the unloading point? Let us assume that Vikas Dealer Private Limited is in Bangalore. Now I have to unload the material in Bangalore, right? Bangalore. Now I have to unload the goods in Bengaluru because Vikas Dealer Private Limited he is from Bangalore. Now, what is this? Now, if you see here, data is incomplete check. Why? Because I have to assign customer calendar. What do you mean by customer calendar? Customer calendar specifies the working days and holidays of the customer. Okay. Now, if you take Reliance Digital, from Mondays, let us assume from Monday to Saturday it is working and Sunday it is leave. Now, what does that mean? It specifies the working days and non-working days of the customer. Okay. Now, we have to assign the customer calendar. See, if they are on leave on Sunday, we should not ship the goods on Sunday, no? So that is the reason we have to assign. Now, so same path, okay? Sales and distribution, master data, business partner, customer. Now go to shipping. Now go to shipping. You can see define customer calendar. Now select factory calendar. Now click on edit. Now go to new entry, create new entry. For example, ZI. So what is ZI? I am telling to system that this ZI, that is customer calendar, it belongs to Vikas Dealer Private Limited. Okay, Vikas Dealer Private Limited. Now I am specifying one holiday calendar. Holiday calendar means what? Any public holidays. Okay, any public holidays like that. So in there are some already created holiday calendars. I am taking A naught. Okay. Now I am telling to system that the customer is working from Monday to Saturday and Sunday it is leave for them. Now save this. Okay. What is the factory calendar ID? ZI. Now go to customer master. Now you can type ZI. See, system has taken this is the customer calendar for Vikas Dealer Private Limited ZI. Okay. Now we have specified that the working days of the customer, we should also specify when the customer is ready to take the goods inside. See, if the customer is working from 8 a.m. to 10 p.m., it doesn't mean that we can go whenever and we can, unload the goods because even at customer location, there will be many people and even the customer will be busy engaging with their customers. Correct, right? So here also we should specify when, at what time the company has to send the goods to Vikas dealer at what time. Okay. Now there is one more option here. Just come back again, one step, come back. Now define goods receiving hours. Go to define goods receiving hours. Go to new entries. Now goods receiving hours. For example, I'll give ZZI. So same ZZI I am giving. What is the description I'm giving? Vikas Dealer Private Limited goods receiving hours GRH. Now I am telling to system that this Vikas Dealer Private Limited goods receiving hour they are busy Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday because more number of customers will go and purchase from Vikas dealer. So the Vikas dealer customer is very busy engaging with their customers. Now I'm telling to system that they are free only from morning. Let me take from morning 8 a.m. Okay, morning. So they are free from morning 8 a.m. to morning 8 a.m. to morning 10 a.m. Okay, come here. Morning 10 a.m. So where is 10 a.m.? So this is 10 a.m. So I'm telling to system that if at all, if the company wants to send the goods to Vikas dealer, please send the goods only on Saturday during this time. Then only they will be able to unload the goods and take them into their warehouse. Now I'm also specifying to the system that We are also okay to receive the goods at this time. Okay. We are also okay to receive the goods at this time. Okay, one second. Click on OK. Now I will select the last times. Okay. Okay, that's all. Now save this. Okay. Now this got saved. Now go to your customer master. Now go to goods receiving hours. Now just type ZZ I enter. See. From SPRO, whatever you have configured in the backend, all those copied here. See now, what does this mean? This means that because dealer private limited, they are working from Monday to Saturday. Where you specify that they are working from Monday to Saturday, you specified in customer calendar. Now, when this Vikas Dealer Private Limited, they are ready to take the goods inside, they're ready to take the goods inside only on Saturday between these timings. Okay. Now click on check. Yes. So this is how you will maintain unloading points in general data tab. Now go to export data. See if the customer is from outside, that means that if the customer is a foreign customer, then you will mention this data. Now go to contact person. Now, contact person, what do you mean by contact person? Let us assume that we have a person called, Sagar uh, Reddy. So we have a person called Sagar Reddy. His first name gives something like P. And what is the department? So he is from purchasing team. He is from purchasing team. And what is the designation of him? Now he is a head of purchasing. Enter. Okay. Now if the company wants to contact Vikas Dealer Private Limited, they have to contact Sagar P. Reddy, who is from purchasing, and he is the head of purchasing. If not Sagar Reddy, you can contact like Vikas, uh, or else you can contact, for example, Nazreen, Nazreen SH. So Nazreen SH, she is from sales team. You can select sales team, and here, if you come here, then you can mention, a head of sales. Okay. If the company wants to contact Vikas Dealer Private Limited, then they can contact Sagar Reddy and Nasrin. So this is how we will maintain the contact person data. See, hope you understood the importance of each tab. So there are 7 tabs: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There are 7 tabs for SAP SD consultants. Usually address data, control data to maintain GS registration number, and the payment terms will be maintained by FI consultants. Marketing tab will be maintained by specially SD consultants. Unloading points also SD consultants. Export data also sometimes SD or sometimes FI, and contact person SD. Now save this. See, hope you understood how we can mention the information in general data. Now click on OK. Okay. Now go to company code data. If you go to company code data, you have something called as reconciliation account. Now, what is this reconciliation account? This is very important. This field is very important. What is reconciliation account? Reconciliation account is a GL account which will be used to accumulate total outstanding of the customer. See, just assume that this GL account is like a bank account. See, you have a bank account, right? So similarly, reconciliation account is a GL account. So which means that it's a bank account which will be used to accumulate the total outstanding of a customer. So whenever customer purchase any materials from the company, now the customer has to pay, right? Let us assume the customer has purchased from 10,000 quantity of home care products. Now the company will charge around 20 lakhs. Now all these 20 lakhs will be stored in GL account of a customer. Whenever we create invoice, system will generate accounting document. That is, system will post the invoice values into accounting. Hope you got it right. So all the amount will be debited into customer accounting, which in turn it is a revenue to the company. So this is the importance of, reconciliation account. The standard reconciliation account is 1,40,000. So this is just like a bank account for Vikas Dealer Private Limited. Whenever Vikas Dealer Private Limited purchase any material from the company, now they have to pay some amount, and all those amount will be accumulated in this GL account. So this is the importance of reconciliation account. Now, next up is payment transaction. Now, in payment transaction, we have two fields. Terms of payment. It is an agreement between the company and the customer for the number of days given to make the payment. So, which is nothing but credit period. Sometimes the company will give 30 days, 30 days. Okay, it is not there. 30 days. So before 30 days, they have to make the payment, or sometimes they have to make immediate payment. See, for invoicing up to 15th of month, for example, 15 days they're giving sometime, or sometimes they have to pay immediately. And for example, whenever you purchase any material, any product from Amazon, Flipkart, you're paying immediately, right? So like that. So they have to pay immediately. So this is one important field. Payment history record. If we check this, then customer payment information will be updated into credit management. So we will see the importance of credit management. Now, just understand that if we check this, then this information will be stored in credit management. So these are the two important fields for SD consultants. One is reconciliation account, where all the invoice values will be posted into customer outstanding. Now in payment transaction, we have terms of payment and payment history record. So these are the two important fields. Okay. So hope you understood all the important fields in general data and all the important fields in company code data. Now let us go to sales area data. Now I'm clicking on sales area data. If you see, there are four different tabs. One is a sales tab, shipping tab, billing documents, and partner functions. And all these four tabs will be purely handled by SAP SD consultant. Now let us see one by one. First one is sales district. Okay. First one is sales district. What do you mean by district? It is a sub-classification of sales office for the purpose of generating the sales report. Now let us assume this customer is in Karnataka, right? Now I want to extract all the dealers who are located in North Karnataka or South Karnataka, West Karnataka, and East Karnataka. So like this we can classify. Now if you search F4, see someone has created North Telangana, South Telangana, West Telangana, and East Telangana. Now we can create our own codes. See, there are two options. Either you can go to SPRO path /o SPRO, go to SPRO and go to reference IMG. Now go to sales and distribution, go to master data, go to business partner, go to customers, and go to, okay, go to sales. You can see define sales district. Now click on define sales district, go to new entries. Now I'm giving ZZZ01 and 4Z02 and ZZZ03. Okay, you cannot have two digits in the same number. Now I'm giving this as, for example, North Bangalore. Okay, North Bengaluru, and this is South Bengaluru, and this is West Bengaluru. Now I'm saving this. Okay, I'm saving this. Now I'm coming here and I'm assigning sales district as. Now if you click F4, you will get this detail here. See North Bengaluru, South Bengaluru, and West Bengaluru. Now I'm selecting North Bengaluru. Now enter and save it. See, the purpose of this is for reporting purpose. How reporting? Okay, now I will show how this field will be useful for reporting purpose. Now press F1 here. Press F1 on the sales district. Okay, go to sales data and click F1. Oh, so it is going to generate a 1 second. Sales data. Go to technical information. Now, what is the field name? So this is the field name. I'm copying this field name. Okay, I'm opening one new session. Create new session. Now SC16N. Like we discussed in first class for sales area data, KNVV is the table. Customer master. Now you have find option here, or you can press Control F. Now I'm pasting that field name. Okay, I'm pasting that field name. Now sales district. ZZZ01. Now execute. See, I got one customer with sales district as ZZZ01. Like this, let us assume there are 50 dealers, and for 50 dealers, we are assigning sales district as ZZ01. So this is how this field will help for reporting purpose. Okay, so we can identify how many customers are located in North Bengaluru. Now, sales office, like I told, it is a physical location where group of people will work. Now, what is sales group? Sales group is also a group of people. It is not a physical location. Group of people within the sales office who work for different product lines. Okay. Now, customer group. So this is very important. Okay, customer group, because this customer group will help to provide some discounts. Now we saw what is sales office. It is a physical location where group of people within the office work together to perform sales. What is sales group? Group of people within a sales office working for different activities. Now, what is customer group? Grouping customers who will share the same attributes in volume. Okay. See, P1 means bulk dealer. He is going to buy in bulk. Okay. P2 means medium. P3 means low dealer. Now, suppose if we have distributor, so we have bulk distributor. It means that we have a customer who is going to buy in bulk. Okay, that customer is a distributor who is purchasing from the company, and this customer will purchase in bulk. And we have medium distributor and low distributor. The purpose of this field is for reporting purpose and for pricing purpose. Path is same. Okay, the path is same. Now go to SPRO. So one step come back. One step come back. Now double click on customer group. Now go to new entries. Suppose ZI. Okay, I am telling that he is a bulk dealer. Bulk dealer. Now ZP is a medium dealer. That means he is going to buy some medium quantities. Okay, now ZQ, small dealer you can give. Okay, bulk, medium, and low dealer. Okay, better I'll give low dealer. Low dealer. Now save this. Now save this. Go to customer master. Click on F4. Now you can see those things here. Okay. Now I am telling to system that this Vikas Dealer Private Limited is a bulk dealer. Okay, he is going to buy in bulk. So I am telling to system he is going to buy in bulk. Now there is a statement which says that this field is one of the important field. The purpose of customer group is for reporting purpose and pricing. For reporting, so click F1 here. So click F1. Okay. Now click on technical information. Click on technical information. Now copy this field name KDGRP. Now go to SC16N table. Now one step come back. Now type KNVV. Now I am removing that. Click on search option, Control V, enter. See, this is customer group. What was customer group? I gave ZI. Now execute. Okay. Once again, no values found. So what was the code that we have given you? Customer group ZI, right? One minute, I'm closing this. Okay, I did not save this. Okay, first you have to save this. Okay. Now we have saved the customer. Now go to SE16N. Now go to SE16N, KNVB table and KDGRP. Now give ZI. Now execute. See, now you will get list of values. See, this customer, he is a what the customer group of this customer is Z1. So this is how you can have list of customers for which the customer group will be assigned as ZI, and ZI represents is a bulk dealer. Now ABC class customer. See, there are thousands of dealers will be there, right? Let us assume there are five dealers who raise the complaint at the same time. Now the company cannot, manage all the five dealers at a time. So now we are giving priority based on the ABC class. Let us see the definition of ABC class. Customers are classified into A class, B class, C class customers based on the turnover and payment history, how much turnover they make, and what is the payment history. So whenever customer purchase many materials from the company, so within how many days they are going to pay this payment history. The purpose of this field is for reporting purpose and response time to solve the issues or queries raised by the customer. Okay, raised by the customer. Now ABC class customer. I'm giving A. So A means what? He is a high priority customer. So whenever any customer whose ABC classification is A, then I have to respond first to this customer. Okay. We can assign B and C to other customers. So based on the list of customers and based on the type of class that we assign for the customer. So for those customers, we have to first, give preference. So that is the importance of ABC class customer. Now the next one is we have currency. Okay, this currency. So generally currency means INR. For India it is INR. If the customer is located outside the country, we will maintain the customer currency. If the customer currency is different from company code currency, see now our company code is in India only. Okay. Now the customer is also in India as per our example. Okay. This company triple Z, whichever this four Zs. Okay, this four Zs, whatever this Pharma Private Limited, it is in India, so we give currency INR. Even the customer is also in Bangalore, so we have given INR as what the currency. Let us assume there is some foreign customer. Okay, let us assume is a foreign customer, USD, American dollar. Now, how what will happen? Okay, if the customer currency is different from company code currency, then while doing sales transaction, that means that when this customer is raising any order, system will display the values in customer currency only. Okay. So system will display the sales order value in USD only. So let us assume you're in America. You're ordering one product from Amazon. Now at the time of checkout, do you think that you can see the value in INR? No, right? You can see the value in terms of dollars. Okay. So while doing sales transaction, system will display the value in customer currency only. But in accounting document, system will display the value in company code currency. So when you check the company's book rate, the values will be converted into INR. This conversion will be happened based on exchange rate. So this is also will be taken by FI consultant. Okay. Now INR. So whenever the customer raise any sales order, the value of the sales order will be displayed in customer currency, which is USD. But at the time of invoice, one revenue accounting document will generate. In the document, system will display in company code currency, that is INR. See how all this will happen? It will happen because of exchange rate type. The T code to maintain exchange rate type is OC41 and the standard exchange rate type is M, and FI consultant is responsible for this. Okay. So if you go to OC41, okay, slash and OC41. So usually FI consultant will take it, but just for our knowledge purpose. Okay. So this is exchange rate type. So if you scroll down, okay, all these are exchange rate types. Okay, so we don't have to worry. Usually FI consultants will work on this. So every day they will change this exchange rate type. If you press M, okay, so this is the exchange rate type. This is a standard exchange rate type. And the T code for this is OC41. Now, what is the next field we have? Switch round or switch off rounding. If we check this, then system will not perform rounding while creating sales order. Okay. So where is rounding here? Okay. If you check this, whenever we are raising any order, see you're going to DMart, okay? You're going to DMart, you're filling sugar. You don't know how much you're filling, right? So randomly you're taking the mug and you're filling the sugar. You're going to the billing counter. It will be 1.321 kg. So system is not rounding off. Okay, system is not rounding off to 1.4 kg. Now, whatever the customer has taken the quantity, only for that quantity we are DMart is putting the bill. So this is the importance of switch off rounding. If you check this, system will not perform rounding off. Okay, if we check this, system will not perform rounding while creating sales order. Probability. After placing the order, what is the chance that the customer will not cancel the order? See, now order probability 100. See, what does this 100 means that whenever Vikas dealer raise any order to company code Farva Private Limited, there is 100% chance that Vikas dealer will not cancel the order. Okay. So usually when we raise any sales order in Amazon, Flipkart, we will cancel the order, right? We will cancel the order. But in this case, what happens? There is 100% probability that Vikas dealer will not cancel the order once he raise the sales order to company. Suppose if I put 50% here, it means that there is 50% chance he is going to confirm the order or 50% chance he can reject the order. So that is the importance of order probability. Okay, that is the importance of order probability. So next what we have next what we have item proposal. If customer is regularly placing order for similar item, then instead of entering items manually into sales document every time, we will prepare the list and call the list while creating sales order. Okay. See, what does this mean is that if the customer is regularly placing order for similar items, you're going to DMart, you're purchasing same items every week. Okay. Then instead of writing in a sheet of paper every week, okay, instead of writing all the items in a sheet of paper every week, you can carry the same sheet you can carry the same sheet every week, right? So here what you're doing, you're reducing the burden of writing the same items every week on a sheet of paper. You can write once and you can carry the same paper sheet every week. So that is the importance of this item proposal. Okay, if customer is placing order for similar items, then instead of entering the items manually into sales document every time, we will prepare a list and call the list while creating sales order. The end user will select the items from the list into sales document, which will help to save the time of the end user. And the transaction code to create item proposal is VA51. So this is one of the business process in SAP. We will execute item proposal in SAP. Okay. And VD51 is the T code. Okay. So VD51 is a T code to create item proposal. Okay. So we will see how this functionality works after completing the master data. So hope you got idea what do you mean by item proposal. That means calling one. See, we will prepare the list and we will call that list while creating sales order. So we will see in detail about item proposal. Next we have is exchange rate type. Okay. Where is exchange rate type here? Authorization, exchange rate type. Okay. If we have an agreement with the customer for fixed exchange rate type throughout the month, then we maintain exchange rate type. Exchange rate for the exchange rate type M and we assign that exchange rate type in the customer master. So let us assume that for this complete month, okay, for this complete month from July 1st to July 31, see the standard exchange rate type is M, correct, right? Let us assume $1 is equal to 85 rupees throughout this month July. So that time we will mention this standard rate type as M, okay. If we don't assign a exchange rate type, then system consider the exchange rate type as M by default. Okay. So if there is an agreement between the company and the customer stating that $1 will be 80 rupees throughout the month or throughout the year. So that time we will go for exchange rate type. Okay. Now PP customer pricing procedure. Okay. This customer pricing procedure. Now what is the importance of this? This field will be used for cross-selling concept or product proposal concept. Now, what is this cross-selling concept? So this is also one of the business process we will see in coming class. Now, what is this cross-selling concept? Cross-selling is selling additional products along with the main product. For cross-selling, maintain B. For product proposal, maintain A. See, cross-selling is selling additional product along with the main product. See, if you go to DMart, no, you will buy one main product. For that, you will get additional product. So selling one product along with the main product. For cross-selling, we will maintain B. Okay. If you press F4, no? So here you can see cross-selling B. Okay. So for example, you will buy some phenol of 500 rupees. For that phenol, you're getting some Colgate paste as free. So during that time, what what you can do, you can mention cross-selling. Okay. You can mention cross-selling. Now, what is product proposal? Product proposal is the automatic determination of item proposal in sales document. So we will see this also in coming class. So for product proposal, you have to maintain A. Okay, if you press F4, you can see A means product proposal, B means cross-selling. Now what we have price group. So grouping of customers who will share the same pricing attributes. The purpose of this field is to maintain discount. Okay. The if you go to pricing group, okay, the pricing group. See, when we discuss about the pricing procedure, you will understand the importance of price group in customer master. Now, just understand this field is mainly for you can tell for reporting purpose or to give discount to customers. Okay, we can have our own price group. See, like this, we can have our own price group. Now, how we can create this price group? So we have a path here. Okay. Now SPRO, basic function pricing. Now go to SPRO. If you come back, close this master data. SPRO, sales and distribution, basic functions. Go to pricing. Go to pricing control. You can see here. Just a minute. So pricing, maintain price. Pricing. Where is maintain price? Okay, maintain price relevant for master data. Define pricing group for customer. Now go to new entries. So for example, ZI. You can give some more some descriptions. Okay. So Z1, for example, high. Okay. Already we have some of the data, right? If you press F4, you can give what descriptions they have given. Okay. New customer, group one, group two, wholesaler, bulk distributor. Okay. So I'm giving he's a dealer. He's a dealer. Now ZP. Okay. Or you can give this as high dealer, high dealer, and he is a medium dealer. Medium dealer. Okay, I'm saving this. So now what I'm doing, I'm telling the system that because dealer is a high dealer. Now if you scroll down, you can see, okay, you have to close this first. You have to close this. Now press on F4. Now scroll down. You can see I'm telling to system that this Vikas is a high dealer. Now, customer pricing procedure. This field is one of the prerequisites to determine pricing procedure into sales document. So we will see in detail about this while discussing about pricing procedure. Now, just understand the importance of this field is that it is one of the parameter to determine the pricing procedure into sales document. Now, price list. What do you mean by price list? So here we have something called price list. Now, grouping of customers who will share the same base price. Price list will be used to maintain base price. For example, for dealer one price, for distributor one price, institutional price, for direct sales one price, like that. Okay. Now, we have one material X material. Now, dealer, wholesaler, retailer, everyone will buy the same material, but company will not sell this X material for the same price. Okay. We have something called X material. This is X material. Now we have dealer, we have distributor. Now we have wholesaler. Now the company will not sell material X for same price for all these three customers. Okay, they will have their own prices based on the nature of the customer and based on the nature of how much they're going to buy. Okay. Now this price list will help to offer how much discount. Okay. So that is what I have mentioned here. Grouping of customers who will share the same base price of the material. Price list will be used to maintain the base price. For example, for dealer one price list, distributor one price list, institutional for one price list, like that. Okay. Now how we can define our own price list. Now go to SPRO, sales and distribution, basic functions, pricing, maintain price relevant master data for price list. See, just now we went that path, right? Now one step come back. See, define price list categories for customers. Now go to new entries. Now ZI. Okay, ZI. So I am telling that he is a dealer. He is a dealer price list. Dealer price list. Now I am giving ZP. What is ZP? Wholesaler price list. Wholesaler price. Okay, wholesaler price. Now I am giving ZQ. Okay. Now I'm giving Z2. This is I'm giving dealer, wholesaler, institution, institution price. Okay. Now I'm saving this. Okay. Now I'm saving this. I'm going to customer master. Now I will press F4. Now if you scroll down, you can see a dealer price list. Now select this. So I'm telling to system that because dealer private limited, he belongs to dealer price list. For dealer price list, we have to give some discounts. And all these fields are important for reporting purpose. Okay, for reporting purpose. Now, what is the next field we have? Customer statistical group. This field controls whether to update customer sales data into LIS report or not. LIS is nothing but logistic information system. Okay, so we have this field here. So this field will control. So if you press F4, we have, okay, we have relevant for statistics, not relevant for statistics, like this we have. Okay, now go to shipping tab. Now go to shipping tab. Now, what do you mean by delivery priority? This field will be used for classifying the customers into high delivery priority, medium delivery priority, and low delivery priority. The purpose of this field is to help back orders and rescheduling. Now, if you press F4 here, if you press F4, we have high priority, normal priority, and low priority. Okay. So whenever customer, that is Vikas dealer, okay, whenever Vikas dealer raises an order, what is the delivery priority? In Myntra, you can see will be delivered in 2 days. Or if you have any membership in Amazon, you can see that will be delivered within 1 day or will be delivered within 12 p.m. So this is the importance of delivery priority. Okay, this is the importance of delivery priority. In delivery priority, we have two things. And what is the functionality of delivery priority? The purpose of delivery priority is that it will help back order process and rescheduling. The purpose of this field is that it will help to process back orders and rescheduling. Now, what do you mean by back order process and rescheduling? This is also one of the business process we will see in coming classes. Now, let us understand the theory concept of back order processing. Whenever high delivery priority customer places order, whenever high priority customer places order, let us assume I have one Amazon Prime. Okay, I am placing one order. If the stock is not available, okay, now stock is not available. Now what system will do? Now system will go back to open orders of low priority customer and cancel the confirmation of low priority, low delivery priority. Now you don't have Amazon Prime, but still you ordered that product 2 days back. Now what system will do? System will cancel your product and system will confirm my order because I have membership. So that is nothing but back order processing. Whenever high priority customer places order, if the stock is not available, then system will go back to the open orders of low priority customer and cancel the confirmation of low priority customer and assign to high delivery priority customer. Okay, so hope you understood this concept with an example back order processing. Now, what is rescheduling? So, doing the back order process automatically by the system. Okay, so if the system does all this automatically, then we will go for rescheduling. For manual process, we go for back order processing. Okay, so hope you got the functionality, the definition of delivery priority, and what is the functionality or the purpose of this field is to process back orders and rescheduling. Okay, now next we have order probability. Now, what do you mean by order probability? This field is prerequisite to combine multiple orders into single delivery. That means that, so I have ordered one shoe, one shirt from Mintra. Now, both the products are coming on same day and to same location and to same person. Now, what Mintra will do, instead of sending two different couriers, they will pack both shoes and t-shirt in the same courier and they will send me. So that is the important of order probability. Now, whenever Vikas Dealer Private Limited raise order to company, suppose they will order some 10 different types of products, and if all these 10 different products are available, then now what company will do? Company will pack everything in one single courier and they will send it to Vikas Dealer Private Limited. So this is the importance of order probability. If you uncheck, then you will get different couriers. Okay, if you uncheck, you will get different couriers. So this is the importance of order probability. This field is prerequisite to combine multiple orders into single delivery. If we check this, then only system will allow combine multiple orders into single delivery. Now, what do you mean by shipping condition? So this field is one of the parameter to determine shipping point into sales document. Okay, so we will see the importance of this shipping point while discussing shipping point determination. For now, just understand that this field is one of the parameter to determine shipping point. What is shipping point? It is a place where we unload the goods from the truck or we load the goods into the truck is called as shipping point. Next we have is a delivering plant. Now, what do you mean by delivering plant? It means that if we maintain plant here, then it will be determined into sales document. So if you see for this Vikas Dealer Private Limited, I have mentioned the plant as ZZ01. Now, whenever Vikas Dealer Private Limited raise order to the company, then by default system will take plant as ZZ01. So all the materials will be shipped from ZZ01 plant. So what I mean to tell is that system will give priority to delivering plant which is maintained in customer master. Okay. So we also have this field in CMIR. and material master. Okay, remember, so this is how system will give priority. First, system will give for CMIR, that is customer master info record. Second, system will give information for customer master if you mention. Okay, so hope you understood the meaning of delivering plan. So if we maintain the delivering plan here, then while creating sales order, okay, while a sales order is created, while a sales order is raised by Vikas Dealer Private Limited, system will take delivering plant as ZZ01 by default. Okay. So this is the importance of delivering plant.